Hi people, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Mr. Investor Face. If you are coming on this channel for the first time, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing to this channel is clicking on the red button below, which is written subscribe, and click on it, and then you subscribe. But if you are sent a link and then when you click on it, it tells you to go and sign up or put your password. What you do, please just go on YouTube and search me and subscribe. Search for Mr. Investor First and subscribe, and leave a sweet comment so that you don't miss any video that I'm going to upload on this channel. Today I'm going to show you Kalingalinga Mall or Kamloops Mall. Okay, it's in Kalingalinga, one of the mall that we have in Kalingalinga. So you are seeing me here entering. I'm showing you inside here. I'm entering. This is another entrance, but this is a car park. When park your cars, it's safe here. There are security guards all the corners of this, but at this time, yeah, they are everywhere. There are security guards at each corner. Okay, and then it's very secure here. There are a few cars parked here. Most people prefer to park outside. The one out from here. But otherwise, the underground parking is more safer than the one outside, because here there are more security guards and the good. This is nice also. And just the shopping mall, I'm starting by showing you the car park, the underground parking that is here. It's awesome. It's nice. It's well built. I like it. So from here, I'm going to show you. Then just here, there are stairs on the left. I think there are 1, 2, 3 cars on you. 1 to the lead car, second, third, and the fourth one. Now after that, there are stairs going inside the mall. Now you can enter through there. There's a way. There to go into the mall. For those who can park their cars, there's a way there. I like this design. Everything, the design of this mall did a good job. There's a little bit of fountain here, just a design. This is nice also. I like it. I like it so much. This is adding beauty to the building, to the mall. And then yeah, this is the fountain, and this is the car park that I told you, and this is the exit of the inside car park. Understand? It's the exit of the inside the underground car park. But on top of this ShopRite, there's ShopRite. Okay, so this is the fountain I was talking about. And yeah, basically this is a place at the mall, Kalingalinga Mall or Kamloops Mall. Sure. So this is where I am. I'm going to show you a few places. Let me start from outside. Yeah, this is the outside. Now this is the gate, one of the gates along Arikikata Road. You enter through here, you'll be at the shopping mall, Kalingalinga Mall, or you can call it Kamloops Mall. Okay, so this is the mall here. This is outside. I'm showing you the mall from outside perspective, and then this is how you see. There's this wire fence. It's a nice designed one, and there are lights. And then there's those posters and all that for different shops and all that. And then this is the gate I was talking about. And then this is Arikikata Road, that the Benoya's Pizza. The poster for ShopRite, Kalingalinga now open. Okay, Zambia's favorite shopping. That is ShopRite advert. Okay. And then there are flags for ShopRite, and that is ShopRite. Okay, I think the biggest shop here is ShopRite. So it's not just ShopRite which is here. There are more other shops that are here, but it's not that ShopRite is more dominant because it's a bigger shop at this place. Okay. So when you come here, I'm outside. I'm still showing you the mall from outside. Where I've seen the bus stopping. This is where buses stop from town. and they can drop you here. Or you can say, if you're coming here, just say I'm dropping at ShopRite in Kalingalinga. They'll drop you here. There's this gate. You can enter through here, through the gate here in front, is stop. And there's another gate also on the right that you have seen. This is basically how the mall looks like on this angle. I'm going to show you on the other angle or inside, then I'll show you again on the other side on the other angle. Okay, there's a car park I was talking about. You saw the car park that's talking about. That's a car park I was talking about. The one outside, then there's also the one which is underground. Okay, I'm going inside. I show you inside here. Yeah, this is beautiful. So this is basically car park. The car park outside, people park from outside, but there's also another car park inside which is underground. So basically here, this is another shop, some eating places, some eating shops. There are different eating shops. There's Debonairs, there's Hungarian, different eating places, and basically there's some sitting areas, and from there you can enter again. There's another entrance there on the left going to the mall. Let me sit. So hi people, this is Mr. Investor Face. I'm at the shopping mall trying to show you places. I'm sure you've seen some of the places, so let's continue enjoying the video and enjoy, please enjoy. So basically we are now entering the mall. This is how beautiful the mall inside. Tiles, nicely built, very beautiful. Different shops. Some other shops to the right are not yet occupied. I should think so. But on the left they are already blended, and there are some different shops here. Some coffee shops, different shops. Yeah. This is how it is looking here. Okay. Debonairs, okay. And there are some ATMs here where you can come and get your money, withdraw, ShopRite, and then you can come out through the stairs going to the car park that is underground. From there you exit. I will exit again, go up outside to the outside car park. Then from there I will go the other side on the other gate, and then I show you on the other angle for you to see this mall on the other side. So this is the other angle of seeing the outside car park. Also, it's not really full because it is during the day. So in the evening, and you find this the parking slot will be full, and few of the inside the underground parking will be full also. But during this time, it's not really occupied. There are very few cars, as you can see. Basically, this is a place, shopping mall, Kalingalinga Mall, or Kamloops Mall. Okay. In this mall we call it Kamloops Mall. You can also call it Kalingalinga Mall. Okay. Basically, I'm sure you have seen from this angle how the mall is not that very big. It's a smaller mall. It's not as compared to the previous mall that I toured, the Twin Palm Mall that we saw last time, which I toured. So guys, I'm leaving the mall now. If you are coming here for the first time, please, I ask you, please subscribe to this channel. Please click on the notification bell. Subscribe to this channel. Go on YouTube, search for Mr. Investor Face and subscribe and leave a sweet comment. Click the notification bell and see you in my next video.